Well, good morning. Today the Wheels of Faith garage is going mobile. We got a friend of a friend. She's got a 2006 Ford Freestyle. It's got throttle body codes. I'll list them up here in a minute. And then, well, here's the thing. We had our first decent snowfall here in Ohio. So I gotta find my snow brush because I don't know. I had like 6 of them in this garage that I would always just put up, and then I remember distributing them to the vehicles a couple months ago. And then after that I got nothing. So I found a lot of ice scrapers. Check this out. I got like 3 ice scrapers that I found. Well, I guess we're gonna have to use a broom. Kick it old school. Okay, we are mobile. We got our tools. Gloves are in the tools. Let's get this throttle body replaced. Woof. That's a confirmed fix. All right. It is good. Just gonna let it run for a while to continue charging up that battery. We're gonna run around to the back and see if we can't get our other vehicle jumped. Let's go. Okay, we're at the other vehicle. Toyota Sienna something. He's got the jump pack hooked up. It's got 2.5 volts, so the battery's shot. I just looked, it's got a date code of 518, which doesn't seem that old, but believe it or not, that's 6 years ago. Coming up here in a couple months, it'll be 6 years old, so that battery's probably definitely shot, but we're gonna jump it, let it run for a little while, warm up and everything, and hopefully it'll charge back up. If not, well, I have to get a new battery. But hopefully we can get these going. Brr, brr, brr. Yeah, turn it to the on position for like 3 seconds and then crank it. Oh. Oh, you know what? I gotta turn the jump pack on. Listen, I promise I'm a mechanic. Gotta turn it on, bro. She's charging at 14.4, 14.5. All right, we got her fixed up. Got 2 vehicles running. Got the throttle body fixed on the one. So she's gonna let those run, let the batteries recharge, and should be good. The van needs brakes. The one that we just jumped, it needs some brakes on the back. They are metal on metal. She said she's gonna bring that over at some point, and so we get those replaced for her, help her out, and yeah, should be good to go. So thanks for watching. Pretty easy one. It's just the inclement weather. My nose is cold. I can't feel my toes. That's all right. We got her back on the road. All set. Hey, thanks for watching. Well, we're going after the 3-wheeler that I had left abandoned now for 17 years. But we're going to pull it out and bring it back home and do some work to it. There it is. There she be.
Oh my gosh. He's just spinning the tires.